So, nandito na naman tayo sa panibagong topic natin na implementing basic disaster prevention recovery method. Tama ba? Recovery method. Data recovery. Ito, implement naman to. Implement. So, ayun na nga. Introduction. Welcome to implementing basic disaster prevention recovery method. So, dito naman tayo sa practice lab. So, ito magiging basis natin ng magiging guide ulit. Then, ito magiging virtual machine na gagamitin natin. Learning outcomes, ito din gagawin natin ngayon. Exercise 1 to 5, mamaya matatalakay natin yan. And after natin matalakay yan, ito yung matututunan natin. Ayan. Mamaya, ito lab duration, 45 minutes to complete this lab. So, lab topology, ito ang gagamitin daw natin is yung domain controller at tatlong domain member. Exercise 1. Performing backup and recovery. Backup data makes the data available for restoration and recovery. Therefore, it is recommended to have the policy to back up and system regularly. The backup file is usually stored in an external storage device. There are different types of backup such as image level and file level. Image level creates an image of your system. File level creates a copy of all files at location. So, ito gagamitin natin. Task 1, perform an image level backup. Image level backup creates an all-encompassing image of the system. So, gamitin daw natin is plugin 1. So, nandito na tayo sa plugin 1. So, in the type here, text the control panel. Control panel. So, after control panel, system security, pindutin daw natin backup and restore. Windows 7, ito. Then, display na daw siya. Then, in the left pane, click the create system image. System image. In the create system image wizard is displayed. Search appears looking for backup device. Ayan. Saan dito? Create system image is display. Create a search appears to for backup devices. Loading down. Then where we want to save. Then click on a network location. Then click select. Then plug DC01. Then password. Parang wait lang. Parang ano na to. So dinouble check ko lang kasi parang ano na to kanina yung nagawa ko na to. So, iba pa pala to. So, network location. Following path. DC 01. Username naman lagay natin is practice lab. Practice labs administrator, then password is password, ayan. Then click OK. Then after that is create system image wizard. Notice that click next. Then after that, na-next ko na yung kanina. Then when complete display, create system. No, ba't walang lumabas sa akin? Wait lang, bakulin natin. Yan, select. Next, ito na pala next. Then, ito lalabas. Then, next uli daw natin. Then, start backup. and saving backup. And creating system image dialog box appear, prompting create system require this. For this task, click now daw uli. Pag taps daw nito, yan, na close, then complete. Then, on the create system image dialog box, close the control panel. So, parang nagawa na natin to kanina. Feeling ko dahil nag-fail kasi yun din ginawa natin kanina. Same user din, pati password, pati location. Then after that is exercise 2. Using cloud storage as a backup. Kasi ito naman, cloud storage naman yung magiging backup natin. Ito yung matututunan natin. Example, creating a backup on a local machine and backup on a copy on the cloud. So, ito yung outcomes, use cloud storage as backup. So, itong gagamitin natin, plugvc1 and plugwin101. So, task 1, use cloud storage for backup. Microsoft OneDrive is a built-in utility in a Windows 10. You need to use your Hotmail or Outlook account to access this to backup your data. When you use this utility, you can configure if it skip backup of data in your local system. So, alert, you will need to use your own hotmail.com or outlook.com. Okay, if you don't set one, gawa daw tayo ng email. Alert, if you haven't accessed OneDrive before, please log into via the following link before performing the lab step. So, punta daw muna tayo dito. So, sign in daw muna tayo. So, wait lang, post ko muna para mabilis. So, ayun na nga. Ano na tayo. So, trinay ko tong open ko daw to. So, ginawa ko naman. Nag-open ako. So, back to back na tayo. Connect to Platpin 101. Naka-connect na ako. Then, search text box, search bar, OneDrive. Yan, OneDrive. Then, Microsoft Win OneDrive is display on setup OneDrive. Enter your email. So, yung email ko, Angelo Angeles. Ano ba yun? 026. At outlook.com. Sign in. Then, yung password natin is Angelo 026. Yan. Okay lang yun galawin kasi lang yun, parang may ma-account lang yun para lang dito sa lab. So, and enter password. Na tayo. Click next na agad natin. Then, OneDrive. Then, next. Then, lalabas daw to. Click not now and continue. Then, information share files and folder page. Ito yun. Click next. Yung pala. Then, demand. Click next. Nauna na kasi tayo. And get the mobile app page. Click later. Continue. So, OneDrive is ready for you. So, dahil nabuksan na nga natin dito yan. Hindi na natin lumabas dito kasi nga meron ng OneDrive yung account natin. So, okay na yan. Click open my OneDrive. Continue ko muna. Oops. Not now. Ito pala yun. OneDrive. Next. Get later. Then open OneDrive. Open, then ito lang lalabas. Yan. The system try notice that the cloud icon appears. Also, the OneDrive folder is open in File Explorer. O nga, nagbukas siya dito. So, however, your mouse cursor over the OneDrive system tray icon for a few seconds. A notification appears stating that it is up to date. Ayun, ito up to date. So, right click on this icon, select settings. up to date. Saan yun? Saan yun? Up to date. Wait lang. However, yung mouse cursor. Ito mouse cursor. Ito mouse cursor. Tapos, saan ba dito? Practice lab. Ito. Ayun. Up to date. Right click on this icon. Pag right click natin, then ito lalabas. Select settings. Settings. Then ito lalabas, tama. Dialog box is displayed. The account tab is displayed by default. Ayun. Click choose folder. Choose folder. Then notice that OneDrive has added files not in a folder. Okay. Keep the default settings and click OK. Then click OK to close Microsoft. OK. Then step 17, the File Explorer window should be opened. In the left pane, select OneDrive node. OneDrive. Saan yun? OneDrive node. OneDrive, ito. Now right click display files folder that has been synchronized. Ito mas synchronized. When you select a folder to synchronize, it will appear here. Dito, yan. Ito yan. In the right pane, right click and select new. Select new. Select new daw. Select new. Select folder. Then after that, name the folder plab. Plab. Then enter. Then enter. Close File Explorer. File Explorer. Then right click in the Microsoft OneDrive icon. Microsoft OneDrive icon. In the system tray and select View Online. View Online. It's up to date. View Online. Tignan natin. View Online. More. Iba kasi dito premium, tapos ito self settings. Ito. On the how do you want to open this pop-up, ensure that Microsoft Edge is highlighted and click OK. OK. Then step 23, the Microsoft Edge window will be displayed. With the Microsoft OneDrive page loaded, click sign in. Ito, click sign in. No thanks. Tapos sign in. Accept muna natin yung cookies. Tapos sign in. Na tayo, sign in. Then, after sign in tayo dito ng Angeles 026 iCloud. iCloud tuloy. Outlook pala. Outlook.com. So, yan. Then, password. Then, yan, pagbukas natin, ito yun. Oops. To desktop. Got it. So, on the OneDrive window, notice that plab folder is already. Ito nga yun. Oo nga. Ayun nga. Ayun, may files. Na-synchronize na agad siya. Ang maganda pala dito, mabilis siya ma-synchronize. Close the Microsoft Edge window now. Close ko na din siya. Okay. So, next na tayo. So, exercise 3, performing an online account recovery. So, account recovery naman tayo. So, a user account has some information such as associated username, password, contact number. In case this information is lost, it becomes impossible to access the account content. So, task 1, perform an online account recovery. So, Alert, you will need to use your Microsoft Live account in this task. If you do not have, you can set up complete this exercise practically. Alternatively, you can use this task as theory information. So, wala daw tayong Microsoft account. So, pwede daw natin alternative, you can use this task as theory information daw. So, basahin na lang natin. Step 1, punta tayo sa Internet Explorer. So, punta natin sa Internet Explorer, type natin itong account.live.com ACSR. So, wala silang binigay na account, Microsoft account. So, please enter. Pag-enter daw niyan is recover your account. May nakalagay. This place. You need to provide an alternate email address where your information. Yung kailangan alternate email. So, may lalabas na code na yung ilalagay mong email verification, lalabas yan. So, verify mo. After may verify, click next. Then, you will be prompted for various pieces of information such as previous password, like yung nakaraang password. So, after that is step 7. On the next page, you will need to add email addresses you have sent to simply along with the subject lines, then email, and the last page account recovery, parang na-recover lang. Parang lang pala to, recovery lang pag nakalimutan mo yung password mo sa Microsoft. Exercise for UPS. UPS stand for uninterruptible power supply or source. UPS is a electronic apparatus which provides power supply to its attached load when primary supply fails. So learning outcomes is UPS. Task 1. UPS is a use case where a hidden loss of power could cause an abrupt shutdown of the system. A sudden loss of power can result in several serious issues such as loss of critical data. Ito, totoo din to. Parang, minsan kasi pag nagsiset tayo ng Microsoft Word, mga data natin, biglang mawawala. Yung lumang mga Microsoft walang automatic save. Kaya, possible naman talaga mawala. Ngayon, mga bago ngayon, automatic. Pero ngayon, mga luma, wala na. Using UPS can prevent these issues by making sure that uninterrupted power supplied to a system even when the primary supply is discontinued. UPS provides energy from its own batteries. Parang may sarili daw siyang batteries, which is charged when the primary supply is available. When the primary supply is discontinued, the energy stored in these batteries is transferred to the attached load. The switch over from main power supply to UPS is instant, and therefore the system running the supply is not turned off. The UPS manufacturer usually provides an application to manage the UPS. A UPS can be standalone small UPS, which means that it can cater to one devices. Alternately, it could be a large UPS which is connected to the main power supply and can cater to the several systems, for example, in an office environment. Next, exercise 5, surge protection. Surge protection is a piece of equipment used to prevent losses that could occur due to surges of electrical supply. In this task, you will learn about surge protection. Ito daw, task 1, surge protectors. A surge in event where the supply voltage increase considerable, generate for around 1 to 30 microseconds. A surge can cause severe damage to electric equipment like television. Ito na parang biglang tumaas yung voltage ng So, kailangan daw ng surge protection. So, primarily this occurs where voltage fluctuation is an issue. So, the surge protector is connected to the supply ahead of the load as the voltage fluctuates and goes up beyond a certain point. The surge will ensure that the additional voltage is blocked from reaching the connected equipment. So, the MOB may not be able to provide adequate, ano ba yung MOB? A metal oxide varistor. Nag-handle daw siya ng job efficiently. So, ito daw, MOB may not be able to provide adequate protection when the voltage surge is beyond its capability. In case of high surge, the MOB can be destroyed, but the connected device is prevented from being destroyed. In a situation of continuous small surge, the MOB can weaken and therefore making it less tolerant of large surge. Review, well done, you have completed the implement basic disaster prevention and recovery methods. So, ito yung mga ginawa natin kanina. Exercise 1 to 5. Performing backup recovery using cloud storage as backup, performing an online account recovery, UPS Surge Protector, and ito natutunan nga natin ngayon. Perform an email level backup, use cloud storage for backup, and perform an online account recovery. Ito yung kadagdag kaalaman natin, UPS and Surge Protection. So, next na topic na ulit tayo. Maraming salamat.